Meet the new ambassador of local AI, Qwen 3.8 27B. While flagship models require a server rack, this 27.8 billion parameter powerhouse delivers Opus-level intelligence right on your desk. It features native vision and video understanding capable of analyzing complex stem diagrams and hour-scale footage. But before downloading, you must navigate the VRAM wall. 4-bit quantization needs 17 gigabytes, fitting 24 gigabyte consumer cards, while FP8 demands 32 gigabytes. Let us look at raw NVIDIA performance. The speed king is the RTX 5090, clocking a blistering 206 tokens per second using NVFP4 with D-Spark and SGLang. The standard RTX 4090 achieves 43 to 65 tokens per second. But the pro move is dual RTX 3090s with NVLink and MTP3, blasting between 61 and 113 tokens per second. Even enterprise DGX Spark systems jump from 38 to 80 tokens per second once CUD, a graph optimization, is unlocked. For Apple Silicon users, the Mac advantage is unified memory. The M5 Pro hits 40 tokens per second, while the M4 Max achieves 29.5. Macs with 48 or 96 gigabytes can run uncompressed 8-bit weights and massive context windows without server racks. However, watch the Prefill speed. NVIDIA cards are up to 8 times faster at reading prompts, starting in 4.3 seconds versus 35 seconds on Mac. Beware of the mid-range RAM trap. The moment you exceed VRAM on a 12 or 16 gigabyte card, performance falls off a cliff into slow system DDR5 memory. An RTX 4070 Ti Super drops to a crawl of 6 tokens per second, while an RTX 2000 collapses to just 3 tokens per second. AMD Ryzen has day 0 support, but CPU offloading faces the exact same bottleneck. Stay inside VRAM at all costs. For maximum speed, start with 4-bit quantization at 17 gigabytes. Deploy SGLang or VLLM for peak throughput, and beware the intelligence tax of thinking mode. Deep reasoning produces incredible code, but may take several minutes of thinking before output begins. The verdict: for maximum raw speed, go NVIDIA with NVLink. For massive context and video analysis, Apple Silicon Unified Memory is unbeatable. Check your VRAM, choose your quantization, and unleash Qwen 3.8 on your machine.